pattern of the sun and moon inside a circle that we see on the rock is precisely the same as what we see in a crop circle formation dating to 1996 in southern England.
It blew me away, and I was like, wow, what is this?
In the realm of cosmic mysteries, one enigma stands out: the Roswell Rock. Discovered in the deserts of New Mexico, this seemingly ordinary stone has captivated the world with its unearthly properties. But now, a shocking revelation threatens to unravel the fabric of reality itself. Scientists have uncovered a hidden message encoded within the rock. A message so profound, it could change everything we know about the universe. Hold on to your seats as we delve into the latest discovery about the Roswell Rock, a revelation with cosmic implications. 1. Background of the Roswell incident. In the desert landscapes of New Mexico, an event unfolded that would forever change our perception of the universe. The Roswell incident, a name that has become synonymous with extraterrestrial enigmas, captured the imagination of the world in 1947. Now, what if we told you that the truth behind this incident might lie in a peculiar rock, an artifact that has been shrouded in secrecy for decades? But before we delve into that tantalizing mystery, let's revisit the incident that sparked a global obsession with UFOs. On the night of July 2, 1947, something crashed in the remote desert near Roswell, New Mexico. Initial reports from the Roswell Army Airfield suggested that a flying disc had been recovered, igniting a frenzy of speculation about extraterrestrial visitors. However, the military swiftly retracted their statements, claiming it was merely a weather balloon. This abrupt shift in narrative sowed seeds of doubt and suspicion among the public, raising questions about what really happened. Some suggested that the government was covering up evidence of extraterrestrial life, while others speculated that the crashed object was an experimental military aircraft. The incident instantly became a cultural phenomenon, influencing countless books, movies, and television shows. It also sparked a fascination with UFOs that has persisted for decades, with many people convinced that we are not alone in the universe. How did this single event become so influential? One reason lies in the uncertainty that surrounded it. The military's conflicting reports, coupled with eyewitness accounts of strange debris and alien bodies, created an environment ripe for speculation. People began to wonder, if the government could cover up something like this, what else might they be hiding? The timing of the event made it even more suspicious. In the years following World War II, the world was entering a new era, marked by rapid technological advancements and a growing fascination with space exploration. The idea of encountering extraterrestrial life resonated with a public that was simultaneously excited and terrified about the future. The Roswell incident tapped into these sentiments, providing a focal point for discussions about what lay beyond our planet. It also coincided with the early years of the Cold War, a period characterized by heightened suspicion and secrecy. In this context, the idea of government cover-ups and hidden truths seemed not only plausible, but likely, adding fuel to the fire of conspiracy theories. This atmosphere of intrigue and suspicion led to a surge in reports of UFO sightings and alien encounters. People began to look at the sky differently, always on the lookout for signs of otherworldly visitors. This obsession with UFOs became deeply ingrained in popular culture, leading to the establishment of organizations dedicated to investigating sightings and advocating for government transparency. What was the government really hiding in Roswell? Could the discovery of a mysterious rock years later provide the answers we've been seeking? The Roswell Rock, found decades after the initial incident, has reignited interest in the case, with many believing it could hold the key to understanding what happened. The Roswell incident's legacy is not just in its impact on popular culture, but also in its influence on scientific and governmental responses to UFOs. The event led to the creation of Project Blue Book, a United States Air Force program tasked with investigating UFO sightings. While the program concluded that most sightings were explainable phenomena, it did little to quell public interest in the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The intrigue surrounding Roswell has only deepened over the years, as new evidence and eyewitness accounts have come to light. People who were present at the time have shared stories of unusual debris and strange lights in the sky. These accounts, combined with the discovery of artifacts like the Roswell Rock, have kept the mystery alive, prompting ongoing speculation and investigation. How does a simple rock found in the desert connect to one of the most famous UFO cases in history? And what other secrets might be hidden beneath the sands of New Mexico? The truth may be more incredible than we can imagine. The Roswell incident has proven that sometimes the most extraordinary stories come from the most ordinary places. 2. Discovery of the Roswell Rock. In the desolate stretches of New Mexico's desert, an ordinary day turned into a momentous occasion for Robert Ridge, a deer tracker whose curiosity would unearth a shocking discovery. On September 4, 2004, Ridge stumbled upon what appeared to be just another stone under the desert sun. Yet this was no ordinary stone. What he discovered was a rock with characteristics so unusual, so mind-boggling, that it would rekindle existential discussions on extraterrestrial life and the mysteries of the cosmos. This was the Roswell Rock, an artifact found peculiarly close to the site of the infamous Roswell incident of 1947. What are the odds that a seemingly mundane act of tracking deer near the famed UFO crash site would lead to a discovery that challenges our grasp of the unknown? The Roswell Rock isn't just another geological specimen. This triangular-shaped stone, small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, sports a design that doesn't merely rest on its surface, but protrudes in a meticulously crafted relief. Composed of a uniform sandy hue, the rock bears a pattern of perfect circles and crescent moons, a motif that resonates with mysterious precision and deliberate intention. But here's where it becomes truly startling. The rock exhibits magnetic properties, an unusual feature for a stone of its kind, compelling enough to make anyone pause and question. Could this be a message left by an intelligence beyond our Earth? As Ridge held the rock, turning it over in his hands under the New Mexico sky, he couldn't help but feel a connection to something profound. The proximity of his find to the Roswell crash site, just 11 miles away, was enough to ignite a firestorm of speculation and intrigue. How did this rock, with its otherworldly characteristics, end up here? Was it mere coincidence? Or was there something more, something deliberate about its placement in such a storied location? The questions around the Roswell Rock are as layered as the theories it has spawned. Researchers and enthusiasts alike have delved deep into its mysteries, pondering whether the symbols etched into its face could be a form of communication from beyond. The rock's discovery near such a historic site for UFO activity adds layers of complexity and wonder to an already captivating enigma. It beckons the question, if this rock is indeed a piece of a larger puzzle involving extraterrestrial contact, what message might it hold? The examination of the Roswell Rock under the microscope has only deepened the mystery. Unlike ordinary rocks where you might expect some wear and tear from the elements, the Roswell Rock's markings are precise, uneroded by wind or water, suggesting a recent origin or incredibly durable makeup. Experts in geology and archaeology have puzzled over its composition, comparing it to both earthly and potentially extraterrestrial materials. Yet no conclusive evidence has placed it definitively in either camp. What's more, the magnetic anomaly present in the rock adds another dimension to its intrigue. When subjected to tests, the rock's ability to interact with magnetic fields suggests an internal structure that is highly organized, almost engineered. This peculiarity has led some to propose that the rock could be a remnant of advanced technology, perhaps a piece of a spacecraft or a device left behind for reasons unknown. Moreover, the design similarities between the Roswell Rock and certain crop circles found in the United Kingdom provide a tantalizing link to global phenomena often associated with extraterrestrial activities. These geometric patterns, found both carved in stone and impressed upon crops, span continents and centuries, suggesting a shared message or purpose that transcends human understanding. Could it be that these designs form a universal language waiting to be deciphered by humankind? The implications of such a discovery are profound. If the Roswell Rock is indeed a token of extraterrestrial contact, it could reshape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It challenges us to consider the possibility of intelligent life beyond our planet, not as a matter of science fiction, but of science fact. Yet for all its mystery and the theories it propels, the Roswell Rock remains an enigmatic sentinel at the crossroads of science and speculation. Its true nature and origins continue to elude definitive explanation, inviting both skeptics and believers to explore its secrets. As we delve deeper into the science of the Roswell Rock, we edge closer to perhaps uncovering a new chapter in the human encounter with the unknown. Is the Roswell Rock merely a curious anomaly, a geological fluke with a fanciful tale attached? Or is it a beacon, a marker left intentionally by an intelligence far advanced from our own? The search for answers continues, as the Roswell Rock beckons us to look beyond our earthly confines and consider the vast, unexplored cosmos. Could this rock be the key that unlocks new dimensions of understanding? Or will it remain a perpetual enigma, a symbol of our quest to reach beyond the known? The journey to unravel this mystery is as daunting as it is irresistible. 3. The NASA Manual and SETI collaboration. In the vast expanse of space, the possibility of extraterrestrial life has long intrigued humanity, prompting numerous attempts to establish contact or, at the very least, to gather evidence of its existence. The discovery of the Roswell Rock, nestled close to the infamous 1947 UFO crash site, has thrown conventional thinking into turmoil, beckoning a reevaluation of what constitutes evidence of extraterrestrial contact. Enter an unlikely alliance: NASA and the Center for the Study of Extraterrestrial Intelligence, who in 2014 took a groundbreaking step towards this quest. This collaboration marked a pivotal shift in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. Historically focused on intercepting radio signals or identifying technological markers like spacecraft or satellites, SETI's methods expanded dramatically thanks to this partnership. The joint venture resulted in the publication of a manual entitled Archaeology, Anthropology, and Interstellar Communication. This document, a 330-page tome, proposed a radical expansion of the search parameters for extraterrestrial communication. But why consider archaeology and anthropology in the search for otherworldly life? The manual advocated a profound and intriguing proposition. If extraterrestrials had ever made contact with Earth, perhaps they left behind not just fleeting signals, but tangible markers, embedded in our planet's geological and archaeological records. This approach suggested that artifacts like rock art, carvings, and potentially even objects akin to the Roswell Rock could be remnants of or tools for interstellar communication. This concept isn't as far-fetched as it might seem. Consider the intricate designs on the Roswell Rock, circles and crescents meticulously etched into its surface, not by natural processes, but with precision that hints at deliberate crafting. Could such symbols be an attempt at communication, a cosmic message inscribed in stone? The manual delves into the potential of such unconventional channels, exploring how ancient petroglyphs and similar artifacts might represent a form of contact or communication that transcends the ages. It posits that interpreting these signs requires a confluence of scientific and anthropological insights, drawing from a diverse pool of knowledge to decode potential messages. The implications of this are vast and profound. If true, it suggests that signs of extraterrestrial intelligence might have been under our noses, etched into the very earth we walk upon, waiting for the right eyes to perceive them. But how do we distinguish between mere artifacts of human origin and those of potential extraterrestrial origin? The manual encourages scientists to consider the context of these artifacts, their historical and environmental placements, and any anomalous characteristics that could not be easily attributed to known human activities. The case of the Roswell Rock serves as a prime example. Its proximity to the Roswell UFO crash site adds a layer of mystery and potential significance to its discovery. Could its unique magnetic properties and the precise nature of its carvings be evidence of a non-earthly origin? As we probe deeper into these questions, the collaboration between NASA and SETI continues to inspire a more holistic approach to SETI. No longer are we listening just for distant signals in the vacuum of space. we are also looking closer to home, examining our ancient artifacts and geological formations through the lens of interstellar communication. This expanded search does not guarantee that we will find extraterrestrial intelligence, but it broadens our understanding of where and how we might encounter signs of other civilizations. 4. Crop circle connection. One of the most compelling aspects of the Roswell Rock is its intricate design, which bears a striking resemblance to a crop circle formation discovered in southern England in 1996. This resemblance has fueled a heated debate among enthusiasts and skeptics alike about the origin and significance of the rock. Could this be a mere coincidence? Or is there a deeper connection suggesting communication from beyond our world? Crop circles, often found in the fields of England and other parts of the world, are large patterns created by the flattening of crops such as wheat, barley, and maize. These formations range from simple circles to complex geometrical figures, and while many have been proven to be the work of human artists, others remain unexplained, mystifying both the public and scientists. The similarities between the design on the Roswell Rock and these enigmatic patterns have led some to speculate that both may be part of a broader system of extraterrestrial communication. The design on the Roswell Rock specifically features a perfect circle encompassed by two crescent shapes, closely mirroring the 1996 crop circle. The precision and clarity of the rock's design raise intriguing questions. How could such a detailed and deliberate pattern emerge in both a rock and a crop field, separated by thousands of miles and 8 years in time? This parallel has prompted some to theorize that the rock could be an alien artifact or a message left by extraterrestrial beings intended to be found and interpreted by humans. On the other hand, skeptics argue that the Roswell Rock could be a clever hoax. They point out that the techniques used to create crop circles, often involving planks of wood, ropes, and a great deal of human ingenuity, could easily be adapted to carve similar designs into a small stone. Furthermore, critics of the extraterrestrial theory note that the area around Roswell is a hotspot for UFO tourism, suggesting that the rock could have been manufactured as a modern artifact designed to attract attention and stir public interest. The debate over the rock's authenticity is intensified by the detailed analysis it has undergone. Experts in geology and artifact analysis have examined the Roswell Rock to determine whether its material composition matches that of naturally occurring rocks in the region, or if it shows signs of having been artificially altered or created. The results of these studies have been inconclusive, providing ammunition for both believers and skeptics. Those who doubt the rock's authenticity highlight the lack of definitive proof linking it to extraterrestrial activity, while proponents of the alien theory argue that the rock's unusual magnetic properties and the precision of its carvings suggest a non-human origin. Additionally, the fact that the rock was found in close proximity to the Roswell UFO crash site adds another layer of mystery and conspiracy to the story. This proximity leads some to speculate that the rock could be part of the debris from the alleged 1947 UFO crash, a relic of an advanced alien technology possibly used for communication or navigation. This hypothesis aligns with broader theories about the crash that suggest the government recovered alien technology at the site, which has since been covered up. As we continue to investigate and debate its origins, the Roswell Rock remains a mysterious and evocative symbol of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. 5. Microscopic analysis of the Roswell Rock. The Roswell Rock has puzzled scientists and UFO enthusiasts alike, especially after being subjected to microscopic analysis. To understand the nature of the Roswell Rock, researchers compared it with a sandblasted replica, hoping to uncover clues that might explain its intricate design and unusual properties. The first step in the scientific examination of the Roswell Rock was to analyze its physical characteristics. The rock features a protruding design of circles and crescent moons, which appears both deliberate and precise. This raised questions about how such a pattern could have been formed, especially given the rock's magnetic properties, which further set it apart from typical geological specimens. Under the microscope, the rock's surface revealed a level of detail and craftsmanship that hinted at an origin beyond the natural geological processes typically responsible for rock formations. To compare the original Roswell rock with a sandblasted replica, researchers focused on the intricate details of the design. Sandblasting is a technique that uses high-pressure air mixed with abrasive materials to carve or etch patterns into surfaces. The replica, while similar in appearance to the original rock, lacked the depth and precision of the original design. Under microscopic scrutiny, the differences between the two became apparent, as the original rock's markings appeared sharper and more defined than those of the replica. This discrepancy led to speculation that the original rock's design might have been created using a more sophisticated method, possibly indicating a non-human origin. The microscopic analysis of the Roswell rock provided further insights into its unique origin. The rock's surface showed signs of being manipulated with a high level of precision, which is uncommon in naturally occurring rocks. The markings on the rock were not only intricate, but also evenly spaced and consistent, suggesting that the design was intentionally crafted rather than formed by random geological processes. Additionally, the rock's magnetic properties indicated that it contained materials not typically found in the surrounding environment, further supporting the idea that it might have been artificially created or altered. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Roswell rock's microscopic analysis was the discovery of tiny particles embedded in its surface. These particles were unlike any naturally occurring materials in the area and were consistent with substances used in advanced manufacturing processes. This finding led to speculation that the rock might be a piece of extraterrestrial technology or a carefully crafted message left by an alien civilization. The presence of these foreign particles, combined with the rock's unique design and magnetic properties, suggested that it was not a typical geological formation, but something far more mysterious. The comparison between the original Roswell rock and the sandblasted replica highlighted the rock's unique characteristics. The replica, while similar in appearance, lacked the microscopic details and precision of the original. This finding reinforced the idea that the Roswell rock was not a simple hoax or man-made imitation, but rather a genuinely unique artifact with an unknown origin. The microscopic analysis supported the theory that the rock might have been created using advanced technology, possibly by an extraterrestrial intelligence. The shocking results of the microscopic analysis raised many questions. What if the Roswell rock is indeed a piece of extraterrestrial technology, left behind as a message or a clue to humanity? What if its intricate design and unusual properties are evidence of a civilization far more advanced than our own? The microscopic analysis provided tantalizing hints, but left many questions unanswered, adding to the rock's aura of mystery and intrigue. The scientific examination of the Roswell rock demonstrated that it was unlike any ordinary geological specimen. Its intricate design, unique magnetic properties, and the presence of foreign particles all pointed to a potentially non-human origin. The comparison with the sandblasted replica further highlighted the rock's uniqueness, suggesting that it was created using advanced technology or techniques not commonly associated with natural geological processes. The microscopic analysis supported the idea that the Roswell rock was a truly unique artifact, possibly with extraterrestrial origins, and left researchers and enthusiasts alike wondering what other mysteries might be hidden within its surface. 6. Linda Molton Howe's investigation. Linda Molton Howe, an investigative journalist known for her work on UFO phenomena, has put forth a compelling theory about the Roswell rock's astronomical symbolism. Howe is renowned for her research into extraterrestrial encounters and has focused her attention on this peculiar artifact, believing that the rock might hold a hidden message or a significant date within its intricate design. Her investigation into the rock suggests that it could be conveying a cosmic lesson, potentially linked to astronomy and our understanding of the universe. Howe's interest in the Roswell rock stems from its unique design, which she believes could symbolize celestial bodies such as the moon and the sun. The circular and crescent shapes on the rock have led her to speculate that the artifact might be communicating something about the cosmos. Given the rock's proximity to the famous Roswell crash site, Howe hypothesizes that the design could be a deliberate attempt by extraterrestrials to share knowledge with humanity. One of the key elements of Howe's theory is the possibility of a hidden message within the Roswell Rock. She suggests that the design might include a specific date or event, encoded in a way that we have yet to fully understand. This idea aligns with her broader perspective on extraterrestrial communication, where she posits that advanced civilizations might use symbols or imagery to convey information across vast distances of space and time. The Roswell Rock, with its precise and intentional design, could be a piece of this cosmic puzzle. To further explore her theory, Howe has examined the rock's design in detail, looking for clues that might indicate a specific date or event. She notes that the circular and crescent shapes could represent celestial phenomena such as lunar or solar eclipses, which might be significant markers in an astronomical calendar. By understanding the symbolism behind these shapes, Howe believes we could unlock a hidden message about the past, present, or future. Howe's investigation into the Roswell Rock has garnered significant attention, as it challenges us to think about the possibility of hidden messages in the artifacts around us. Her theory encourages us to consider that extraterrestrials might be using symbols and imagery to communicate, rather than conventional forms of technology like radio signals or electronic messages. If Howe's theory is correct, the rock could be a key to understanding a significant event in the past or preparing for something in the future. This possibility adds a layer of mystery to the artifact and challenges us to consider the broader implications of extraterrestrial communication. 7. Biosignatures and technosignals in exoplanets. In the vastness of space, the search for extraterrestrial life has taken on a new dimension with the exploration of exoplanets. Scientists are no longer solely focused on detecting radio signals or visual sightings. Instead, they are turning their attention to biosignatures and technosignals, indicators of biological or technological activity on distant planets. Could these faint echoes in the cosmos be the key to finding alien life? Biosignatures are substances or phenomena that provide scientific evidence of past or present life. In the context of exoplanets, this often involves looking for specific molecules or elements in a planet's atmosphere that could indicate biological processes. For example, the presence of oxygen, methane, or water vapor can suggest that a planet may harbor life, as these molecules are often associated with living organisms or environments suitable for life. The discovery of such biosignatures on distant worlds would be groundbreaking, as it would suggest that life exists beyond Earth. But what if we could find not just life, but intelligent life? This is where the search for technosignals comes in. Technosignals are indicators of technological activity, such as artificial light, radio waves, or other forms of energy that might be produced by an advanced civilization. The detection of technosignals on an exoplanet would be even more shocking, as it would suggest that intelligent alien beings are out there, potentially capable of communicating with us or even visiting our planet. The search for biosignatures and technosignals in exoplanets is closely linked to the search for Earth-like conditions. Scientists are particularly interested in planets that fall within the habitable zone of their star, the region where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. These planets, often referred to as Goldilocks planets, are considered prime candidates for hosting life, as water is essential for most known forms of life. By studying the atmospheres and surface conditions of these planets, scientists hope to uncover clues about whether they could support life or even have already developed living organisms. One of the most exciting developments in this field is the discovery of planets with potential Earth-like conditions. The Kepler Space Telescope, for instance, has identified thousands of exoplanets, including many that are similar in size and composition to Earth. These discoveries have fueled speculation about the existence of alien life, as they suggest that our planet might not be unique in the universe. By studying these exoplanets and their atmospheres, scientists hope to find evidence of life-related molecules or other indicators of biological activity. Imagine the impact of discovering an Earth-like exoplanet with clear signs of biological or technological activity. The implications would be staggering, reshaping our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Such a discovery would not only confirm that we are not alone, but also raise questions about the nature of intelligent life and its potential for communication or contact with humanity. The development of powerful telescopes and space observatories, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, is enabling scientists to probe deeper into the cosmos. However, the search for biosignatures and technosignals is not without its challenges. Interpreting the data collected from distant planets requires careful analysis and an understanding of both biological and non-biological processes that could produce similar signals. For example, certain geological or atmospheric processes could mimic the presence of life-related molecules, leading to false positives. Additionally, the vast distances involved mean that even if we do detect a signal, it might be many years or even centuries old, reflecting conditions that no longer exist. The search for life beyond our planet is an adventure filled with both uncertainty and excitement. The possibility of discovering biosignatures or technosignals on exoplanets opens up a world of possibilities, challenging us to expand our horizons and consider the vastness of the universe. As we continue to explore and search for alien life, the pursuit of these elusive signals serves as a reminder of the endless potential for discovery and the boundless mysteries that await us among the stars, in hopes of answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Thanks for watching another episode. Click the next video on your screen for more.